Hello friends, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Josy. If you are new here, welcome. Thanks for being part of my friends. In today's video, I'm going to cast off my sinking fan. I have some money here. I'm going to put it towards my sinking fan. I hope everybody is doing very well, so keep watching. Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. I hope everybody is doing very well. Today I have some motivational message. It's been like a while I show you guys, but I read this every morning. I look at it every morning, every day, according to the date, and it's not like 2024, 2023, whatever, so I can use it next year as well. So today it said, your mistake do not define you. You hear me right? Your mistake do not define you. If you let it define you, it will make you stand. You can move forward because you made that mistake. That mistake make you learn a lesson, but it would not define you. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive into today's video. Before I do that, let me push this back a little bit. I hope you guys can see. I still have my flower here. I'm really loving it. And let me count the money quick and see how much I can put in all the sinking fund. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I have 1 5 here, so that's 75. Let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So 49 plus 75. Trying to do the math in my head. I have my calculator here. Let me do that. So 75 plus 49, 124. Okay, so let's see what we can do. This is my, okay, so this is my sinking fund. As you all can see, I'm going to start from the back today from my blessing one, and that one is getting 24. I know there's something coming up that we have to use this envelope, and I do have it in the bank, so I'm glad that I have this envelope. Very, very glad. 24. Okay, and for HMO and trash, I'm gonna start with 10 here in the middle. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then the next one is my self-care. That one, I think I'm gonna do 20. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then this one is miscellaneous. I think I'll do $5. Then the next one is other occasion. I don't think I'll put something in there. My house maintenance, I think I'm gonna do, let's maybe I'll do 14. One, two, three, four. Then for my car maintenance, I think I'll do, let's do 13. For my car registration, I think I'll do 4 and 10. Four and 6, so that'll be 10. For RX lances are emptied. I'm not putting nothing. For my back to school, I think I'm gonna do, let's 6.
Mommy, can have the cookies. Can have the cookies.
What cookies?
The other cookies you put in the fridge.
No, it's not a cookie. No, I don't have a cookie. It's, lollipop is not ready yet. It will be ready at 8 o'clock.
There's no cookie.
Here comes the kiddos. They are disturbing. So I have 6, 7, which is 13. Let me see if I can add more. 1, 2, 3, 13. Okay, I think I will do only 13. Then I do have date of birth and Valentine. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 5. So I'll do 5 here, and I'll do 10 for 10 for birthday. So the kids are really disturbing. In case you hear the noise, it's them. So sorry about that. And I'll put a 10 in the birthday one. I know I have more than 100 in the date of birth one. Okay, so that's all for my sinking fun. Thanks for watching me today. If you are new here, you are welcome. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you don't miss any of my video. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Remember, your mistake do not define you. Bye bye.